day, viewers. It's been raining quite a bit. Got out here yesterday. Look at that, I'm going to cut the grass again. It's out of control. Came around here by the deck and squirted water down in around these posts that were in that dry ground. Soaked it in real good. That on top of the rain that came down last night made the dirt soft. And I was able to get enough leverage just sitting here pushing and wiggling on the post to pull those four up. And you can see they were all mounted in concrete. Most of it broke off. This hole here has still got the concrete down in the ground. But I accomplished a little bit. I was going to stay out here and load these beams in the car, in the truck. And it blew up a cloud and I had to go back in the house. I'm probably not going to get a whole lot done this late in the afternoon, but there are some things in the garage I can straighten up. And now that the rain has blowed over, I guess I will try to load these wooden beams in the back of the truck so I can say I accomplished something today. I tried picking that one up a while ago, and it was so heavy with that concrete on it. I just dropped it back down. So let's get the sledgehammer. Let's get the sledgehammer and bust that thing off. If I can get it lifted out of the hole. I don't want the cement to fall back down in the hole. That'll just be more work than ever getting it out of there. How do I get a hold of it? Good gosh almighty. There we go. Sizable hunk of concrete on that piece of wood. No wonder I couldn't pick it up. Mess around and put my damn eye out. I better get my safety glasses. That piece of wood is swarming with ants. That is a hunk of cement. Okay, there's got to be a way to get that out of there. Let's use a little leverage. Good gosh almighty. Whew. How much does that weigh? That weighs every bit of 100. At least it feels like it. Good golly, Miss Molly. Get my breath back a little bit. Take a minute and show you something. These are brand new post hole diggers I bought they weren't cheap. But I tried to work on last night and they're too stiff and wouldn't work. When I looked down inside here, hope the camera's pointed right. They weren't properly put together. Not only is this one bent wrong, it's on the wrong side. Either this one's got to go to the outside or this one's got to go to the inside. And the bolt's way too tight to work the darn thing. Wear you out just trying to dig some dirt. That's why I wound up pulling the post over instead of digging. I'm going to have to loosen that bolt up. Take a hammer. Yeah, you can see this piece right here just bent all the labor involved in producing these products over in probably China leaves a lot to be desired. That'll be another project for another day, fixing the post hole digger. I could take it back to Lowe's and exchange it. The one they exchange it for would probably be just as bad. I got a little bit done. I need at least 2 yards of dirt here to fill that area up. Over the years, what didn't settle into the ground is washed out this way. Not a very interesting vlog today.